we are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, and we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary and names from Arabic as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's have a look at what it means first. It stands for, it translates into, may Allah reward you with goodness. So it's used by Muslims in Islamic expression of showing gratitude. How do you say it? Jazakallah Khairan. Jazakallah Khairan. Jazakallah Khairan. Jazakallah Khairan. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.